Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking real estate post for your social media. If you want to create a post for your real estate business by yourself, you can create it in Canva. You don't have to create it from scratch. You can customize templates already created by professionals. You just need to adjust, replace, and modify whatever you like, and then you're ready to export. So create your account in Canva and go to the search bar and type Real Estate Instagram Post. Just hit Enter. Canva will suggest the best templates available for you. To see all the available options, go to the See All section and scroll down. Now you can see how professional, minimalist, and aesthetic they are. You can pick whichever template you like. If you have the free version of Canva, you can choose the free templates. If you have the Pro version, you can choose whichever template you like. So choose any template you like. For now, I will go with this one. This one is free, so just click on it and go to the Customize this template option. Pick whichever template you like and customize it. Now you can see that I have full access to modify whatever I like. If I want to change or customize the text, I'll just click on the text, and just like this, I can add my own text. For more customization features, these options are available for changing the font and resizing the text. This one is for changing the text color and making the text bold, italic, underlined, or strike through, as well as changing it to uppercase or lowercase. This one is for alignment. This one is for creating bullet points or lists. And this one is for letter and line spacing. This one is for transparency. If you want to add effects, this one is for effects. This one is for animation. And this one is for position. You can try them out. They're basic and easy to understand. Now, if you want to change the background, just click on the background. If you want to add your own background image, just go to the Uploads section and upload any background from your computer. Your image will appear here. For now, I'll go with this one. I'll just drag and drop it like this. I'll just drag and drop, and your background will be replaced with the one you added. So, that was the background. If you want to use a plain color, you can just click on the background and go to the color options. You can then apply a plain background. Now, to replace the image in the template, you can upload an image from your computer in the same way, and your image will appear here. For example, I'm going to copy and paste an image from Pinterest. I'll go to Pinterest and search for your listing. Then, what I'll do is simply copy it and paste it over here. Then, I'll just delete it. I'll pick another one as well. Maybe I'll go with this one. Just copy it and paste it over here. In the same way, to replace an image, you just need to drag and drop it like this. If you want to replace it with this one, just like this, you can replace it. Just drag and drop. To adjust the size or position, just double-click on it. Double-click on it, and you can adjust it like this. So this way, you can replace the template images with your own. Now add your own details, information, and contact details. When you are done modifying and customizing the design, rename your file if needed. Go to the Share and Download options and download it in PNG or any other available format. Just download it and you are ready to upload your real estate post to any social media platform. Thank you for watching.